So I've discussed very important topic of LinkedIn ads. So how to beginner start your LinkedIn ads? If you create any LinkedIn ads, first of all they're important for your company page options. Without company page, we can't create the LinkedIn ads. First, you can create the company page. I'll open my company page here. I open my website. Both are required. Your website is required and your company page is required. Without company page, without a website, we can't create ads. When create company page, any company page name will be called linkedin.com/company/ your name of company. So just here, open your company page. View as a member. How will we see the view as a member? Admin can have a number. The view as a member will show for name. So I'm clicking here as a view as a Rakesh Tech Solutions. Now you can open your website. Now you can start your ad. So my company name is Rakesh Tech Solutions. Go to works. In this works, the option call is advertise. Option call is advertise. In this advertise, first of all, create your account. Account nothing but the account integrate with your company page. Create account. In create account nothing but your company page account. So I'm writing here. Today ads 19. My currency will be rupees. My page will be Rakesh Tech Solutions. First of all, check here. What is my criteria? What is it? Marketing and advertising. Marketing and advertising. Then first I'm selecting my account name. My ad camera will be Indian rupees. After selecting for my company page. Without create company page, we can't create any ads on LinkedIn ads. Now click for save. After create your account, they will show your create a campaign. And remember, once create your campaign in LinkedIn, we can't delete your campaign. Just we can pause or play your campaign. Create a campaign. The campaign total will be 4 types. This 4 elaborate another 6 plus module. How many? Website visit, engagement, video views, and lead generation. Website visit, engagement, video views, and lead generation. Coming to website visit, we have another modules will be here. Text ad, single image ad, and flash ads, video ad, follower ad, spotlight ad, job ad, and message ad. So they will show the 4 modules. Total submodules 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Totally 4 plus 8. Totally by the 12 modules on your this. Here and outside both are same. Nothing difference. So we can back here. Campaign. In overall option call is 12 modules are we can derive by only for 10 modules we can focus. The engagement. Engagement nothing but your post engagement. So that also will be given by the single image ad and flash image ad and video ad. Each will be can give the separate models. Now you can ask a question. So how to create my ad? How will be displayed on the my LinkedIn option? So anyone just go here. When show any ad, it will be show for promoted. That is called LinkedIn ad. So you can see this here. What is showing for learn more option. Nothing but they can video will be play directly, and finally we click for learn more. They go into your particular website or particular YouTube channel. Particular website or particular YouTube channel. Finally, you can go for click for sign up. These all kind of ads will be created by your LinkedIn option. And always remember, any ad will be created based on your daily budget and how much your daily budget you can add. Minimum 500. The based on you can run your ads will be here, and the ads will depend by the clicks, impression, and conversion. Conversion nothing but impression plus clicks. They will see the ad, click the option for your ad option. That is called conversion. Your conversion rating, click for save and next. When amount will be add, the ad will be run for payment process. The payment will add in for your option call is here. Billing center. That will applicable by the in this option. Don't save, exit. For option call is add credit card. Now click for credit card. It will go into your payment process. LinkedIn support only for credit card to add the payment. So your name and credit card number, expire date, security code, and country, postal code. Here GST is optional. And if you get any LinkedIn coupon codes, enter by here. That is called discount coupon code. So here we will be adding the billing system. When you can add the billing system, the ad will be running successfully. The ad will run for successfully. So here, campaign performance. Create a campaign group. Now create a campaign. Here will begin video views. Also will be dependent by your location and audience target and people target, ad formats, and your daily budget and your schedule, date and time. Click for save and next. Anything first location target and target by your placements, and you can target by the your audience attribute, company, demographics, education, job experience, and interest. Match audience, add your matched audience. Most of the people searching for interest. Without interest, they can't see your LinkedIn ads. So most of the people is adding for interested category. Without category, we can't clear the ad. We can target the basic category. So click for interest, member group, member of interest, member of interest. So this one. Which are your interest? Business, a business, technology. So these are all kind of techniques you can use in this option. You can call technology. So if anything, one search, then this is called digital marketing. So anything will be dependent by your interested things. So that is called, you can create your ads. The based on your ad will be showing for in this option. Any ad approved, when your payment will be done, the ad will be approved. When your payment is done, the ad will be approved. So you can see I will show the number of type of ads. How to recognize that is ad is called, when it's showing for promoted, that is called ad. So is a promoted, this is called image ad. Nothing but engagement. Nothing but engagement. This is called post engagement. So finally, if you click this image, they go into your image option to website. See this. They're going to final where image open or going to website. They're going to your website. People think as a is an image, but when you click image, they're going to where your website. That is called image ad with the engagement your post. This is called promoted. So we can go for this. Only paid we can easily identify that is when a promoted will be showing. The easily ad will be things promoted. This is called lead generation form. This is called lead generation form. Click here. They go into your lead generation form. Generate leads for your marketing. Fill with the sponsor content. Add your email, click for submit. It's generating for leads based on your emails. So based on your requirement, you can select your total ads. Please note down the ads. There are totally three: website visit, engagement, video views, and lead generation. I'll show one by one. In this website visit, write down type of ads: text ad, single image ad, puzzle image ad, video ad, follow ad, spotlight ad, job ad, and message ad. Just we can go for back. Okay, campaign. Second one, engagement. We'll have the total three: single image ad, puzzle image ad, and a video ad. So this type of ads will be created by using LinkedIn. So any ad will be created. Most of the people using for with the company page. With our company page, we can't create any ads on using for LinkedIn option. Video is nothing but totally video view. You can show in for option. This is totally your video ad format. Just add this video on your desktop. We can promote it. Add your video on your desktop. We can promote it. See, this all will be here in this options. Is it clear? So this is called, you can promote ads on your LinkedIn option for beginners or experienced person. Total we can derive by the 10 type of ads we create by using LinkedIn option for 2019. Please note down.